Hello, my name is Magda. I know Eugene for about 2 years. I started with yoga, and really I've been going quite regular, and that for me is to say a lot, because I've been trying other classes and gyms and other ways to exercise, but for me things have to be kept interesting, and you need to see a progress, and mainly you want feedback about what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong. I didn't know at the beginning when I started these classes with Eugene, but I can tell you that it's fun, it's focused, he keep the interest through challenge, and he is very, very enthusiastic when can see your efforts and your progress. That's what I need to say, and I would recommend to go to Eugene, to anyone, any age, any fitness. He knows. We call him the master. Cheers.